हाय हम लोग विद फैमिली विद फ्रेंड्स हम लोग यहाँ पे आए थे और वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट। काफ़ी अच्छा रहा हमारा एक्सपीरियंस। बच्चों ने पहली बार स्टार गेजिंग, पहली बार टेलीस्कोप देखा है एंड इट वाज अ वेरी वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस। वी स्पेशली वेदर ने थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम किया, बट ओवरऑल वेरी नाइस एक्सपीरियंस एंड ओवरऑल मैनेजमेंट एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन and facilities are quite good. So it was a very wonderful experience for our kids and family for first time staying in the tent. So it was overall very nice experience. The location is also good. Only one thing that there was some sort of a disturbance of like light pollution, especially from the dam side, but we can't avoid that. But otherwise it was really wonderful, and I would everyone should have such experience at least once with their family and kids. Especially kids, they enjoyed a lot. Thank you.